What's going on, everybody? Scott Staten with KECO Body Repair Products. I'm here to talk to you about our Robo mini lifter. Now, this is one of the most recognizable tools in our lineup. It's got an ergonomic design, very comfortable to use. It's very robust, made out of high impact injection molded plastic. In fact, that gives us a lifetime warranty on this product. Any part on this tool breaks, if we can't replace it, we're going to send you a new tool. So odds are you've seen other mini lifters on the market. But what makes the KECO Robo unique? Starting off, it's very compact, lightweight, makes it very easy for setup and use. Now looking at the base, you'll notice the kidney-shaped feet. These allow you to create some double action and trap the area around your tab so you can create efficient metal flow. Now moving on, the ball and socket joint allows the feet to adapt to any type of surface. No geometry is going to be the same once that vehicle has been damaged, so it's going to adapt to that very easily. It also allows you to rotate the feet. And this is going to get us the ability to trap that metal area closer to the tab that we're using. Now the ball and socket also creates some modularity for us. This gives us the ability to pop these feet off, move to a different configuration and setup. We can go to our crease feet. We can even go to our crease killer setup. Now there are multiple ways to apply tension when using the Robo. Obviously the lever helps you create a lot of feel for whether you're doing a precise move or an aggressive pull. Now you can also create steady tension or hold tension by adjusting the knob on the top of the Robo. What this also does is it allows you to rotate the top completely 360 degrees to apply tension as well. Another advantage of that helps you get your hand in a great position when you're on different types of damage on a vehicle. Now the Robo falls on the finished side of the repair continuum. However, after you've roughed out the majority of the damage, the Robo becomes extremely valuable when correcting some of those smaller areas in a pull-to-paint process. This is what makes the Robo such an integral part to our L2E collision system. Now, if you go to purchase a Robo, this is what you're going to get. You're also going to get the pass-through adapter that comes with it, which is going to make it adapt to any of our tabs. Go ahead and head on over to KECOtabs.com and check it out.